name is Sergey and welcome back to another episode of the best PowerPoint games. I know it's been a long time, but here's a brand new game and it's called PPT PlayTime inspired PowerPoint game for you. And now let's jump into the game. You're trapped inside the toy factory. You need to find 4 toy parts to escape. Good luck. So here is the main slide with 2 players and we've got spinner in the middle, and each player has this toy parts box to collect. And next to this toy parts box, you've got this boogie bot from the PPT Playtime. Also, each player has hearts, 3 hearts altogether. Before playing this game, you need to divide your students into 2 teams or 2 players, and then decide who goes first. Then spin the spinner, and on the spinner there are outcomes like lose a turn, room, mystery room, question mark, and spin again. If you're gonna get a room, then you need to press on the room, and if you're gonna get a mystery room, you just press on the room. Also for the question mark, you press on a question mark. But these 2, lose a turn and spin again, you don't need to press on them, they're not going to work. So now let's play the game and spin the spinner and see what will happen. So player 1 got room, press on a room. And here's a toy factory map. These rooms you can go to. So altogether 5 rooms. Alright, now players can pick any of the room, so whatever room you like, you can just press on this color, and now they need to select here, for example, in this room, a box. So press on a box and there's nothing inside the box, press back, and now player 2 spin the spinner. Player 2 got mystery room, so press on this mystery room icon. And now we need to press enter a room. So mystery room actually selects rooms for you. It also can select a jump scare. Now player 2 presses on a crate. Okay, nothing behind. Okay. We can now go back to the storage room because there's the last crate here. Okay, and we found this boogie bot. Okay, player 2, spin the spinner, lose a turn. Player 1, okay, lose a turn. Now player 2. Okay. Okay, now we can go to the factory room. Okay, each room has different objects to press on, so let's press on this button. Oh. Okay, there's a bomb. And player 2 spins again because player 1 has lose a turn. Okay, here we've got 3 lockers. Let's press on this one. So Papi wants to play and you going to lose 1 heart. So player 2 loses 1 heart. Just press on the heart. If a player will lose all the hearts, then the game over for this player. Let's press this. Yeah, here's nothing. Alright, spin the spinner. Alright, so player 2 got question mark. So press on the question mark. And now players can choose any of the numbers till 20. So behind these questions, they're gonna find maybe a boogie bot, maybe our lose a turn or rooms, or maybe they need to answer a question. So let's press on, for example, number 7. Okay, now players need to answer a question. Okay, you write your own question here, right, wrong, correct, whatever. And after, well, if they're correct, you can press on correct. If they're wrong, you're gonna be wrong. Okay, there's nothing here because we already pressed it. So now let's press on another locker. Okay, found the boogie bot, like this. Okay, mystery room. Okay, nothing inside. Okay, player one. Okay, player one loses. And now, and for example, let's press here. Found the bot, and give another one to player two. Now, after that, you need to press next. And here we're in the final chamber. So now you just press on these doors to put this boogie pot inside. And press here. And player 2 escaped the toy factory. Congrats. If you want to mix the crates, you can press on any of the image, right? You go to picture format, selection pane, and find this crate. And you also need to select crash and just move to a different space, and pretty much you don't need to modify anything here. The same goes for the toys. So this box actually is Jumpscare, okay? And here buttons you can put on the wall, whatever. You also can add one more button of Jumpscare if you want to. And another room, also you can add a locker here as well, but select everything because you have two different images. And next one, the last room, almost the last room, you need to press on this black screen and the shadow. Press on I to hide it, and now you can mix these handles, whatever, floor, what's that called? Leverals. Anyway, but select all of this, right, and put the different place, and also press on I to put back the shadow. And then go to the question slides. You can mix the numbers, just select again everything and just move to a different space. And also you can move this icon away and change the number later. Depends where you're gonna put the number. Then go to this question slides, and all question slides are down there, and just put your question, run answer, and so on, correct. And that's how you can modify everything if you want to play it again. Alright, so this is a puppy playtime. If you enjoyed this video and the game, give a like, subscribe, and share for more free PowerPoint games for you. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.